After the discussion of lime soda process, we will discuss zeolite process or permuted process. It's the next method to make water soft. Then this zeolite term is derived from Greek word in which two words are there, zine and lithos. Its meaning is boiling stone. This zeolite term first time used by the Swedish geologist. Then the example of the zeolite, natrolite and stilbite. The number of X may be 2 to 10 and Y may be 2 to 6. What's a zeolite? It's a hydrated sodium aluminum silicate and it's capable to exchange its sodium ion with the cation calcium or magnesium of water. It means calcium magnesium salts which are present in water. These calcium magnesium ions can be easily exchanged by the sodium ion of this zeolite. Then the types of zeolite. There are two types of zeolite, natural zeolite and synthetic zeolite. Natural zeolite, it's a green in color and it's referred to as green sand. This natural zeolite is durable but of low capacity. Then the example is Thompsonite. Then the synthetic zeolite is porous and gel structure and it is prepared by heating solution of sodium silicate, aluminum sulfate and sodium sulfate. This synthetic zeolite is of high exchange capacity. Example is zeolite, feldspar, kaolin, clay and soda. Then the reactions of zeolite with the hardness causing impurities or hardness causing salts. First, if we take the example of calcium bicarbonate, this calcium bicarbonate if we take the example of magnesium bicarbonate, when this hard water treated with the zeolite means it contains sodium ion. These sodium ion can easily exchange by the hardness causing cation. It may be magnesium, calcium. It means how it react. All the magnesium ions retained by the zeolite and it becomes magnesium zeolite or calcium zeolite. Sodium zeolite is calcium magnesium zeolite. It also react with the ferrous bicarbonate, manganese bicarbonate and convert into ferrous zeolite and manganese zeolite. What's the process of this zeolite? In this method, sodium zeolite placed in the cylindrical steel tank. Then there is a percolation of hard water containing calcium magnesium salts at the specific rate. Then the reaction take place. Cylinder calcium or magnesium ions will hold by the sodium zeolite and convert into calcium magnesium zeolite and the sodium ions released in water. Then the outgoing water is rich in sodium ion. Then the water collected from the bottom. After some time this zeolite becomes exhausted. It means all the sodium ions replaced by calcium magnesium ions. We can see in the diagram hard water percolated on the zeolite bed. It in this cylinder, zeolite means sodium zeolite is there. This sodium zeolite supported over the gravels. When hard water comes in contact with the sodium zeolite, all the calcium magnesium ions of the water exchanged by the sodium ion, and sodium ions will go. Water which is coming out from this is rich in sodium ion. Then after some time this sodium zeolite becomes exhausted. It means what? All the sodium ions will be replaced by the calcium magnesium ions. So its capacity, means softening capacity, will be reduced. To regenerate, it's washed with the NaCl solution, which is known as brine solution. It means brine solution pass through the calcium magnesium zeolite, and all the calcium magnesium ions will be replaced by the sodium ion of the brine solution. Then to make it more efficient, 1.17 milligram per liter of NaCl is used. Zeolite process reduced hard 0 to 15 ppm. Then with the help of the formula we can find out the hardness. 50 into m into V2 into 10 to the power 3 upon 58.5 V1. What's a V1? Total volume of water softened. V2 total volume of NaCl used for the regeneration, and m is the amount of NaCl dissolved in V2 ml. Then the molecular weight of NaCl is 58.5. Then we can see the advantage. First we will discuss it's very compact and it requires very less space. It removes almost all hardness of water. If we see, the residual hardness is approx 10 ppm. There is no impurities are precipitate out. There is no sludge formation. It requires less skill. It can adjust automatically. Then what are the disadvantages also? Treated water contains more sodium ions. Then it means what? Water which is coming out is more rich in sodium ion. It replaces only calcium and magnesium ion. It means it doesn't help to remove ferrous, aluminium, manganese and other heavy metals. All acidic ions as present in the soft water. It means it doesn't play role to remove the acidic ions from the water. If the water is turbid, it means this turbidity clogs the pit. It means its softening capacity is affected. Then this method also has limitations. Colored ion must be removed. It means before the treatment, colored ion like ferrous ion, magnesium ion should be removed from water because it doesn't play role to remove the colored ion. Water should not be turbid because turbidity clogs the pores. Then hot water should not be used. It means hot water destroy the clogs.